checking the continuity, comparing it to another grill I have in the house. It looks like it's correct, so we don't have a short resistance. I have it set on 200 ohms. We got 15.5 ohms, so that's about exactly what I had in the house on another one. So unfortunately this sand was a little moist. There's not much though, most of the stuff underneath that is dry, but I have, you can see the moisture's built up here, maybe. So I drilled all these holes to let the moisture out, and then one here for the thermometer. So here my plan is to put this tempered glass that I have retrieved from a printer, a recycled printer. It's good to 400 degrees. I know it won't get that hot out here. I had to remove that handle. I missed my clearance by just about an inch. Maybe a half. You know, we don't need that extra space anyway. It's perfect now. You just pull it off like that. No problem. Who needs that goopy handle anyway? 7 minutes to 3, Thursday, December 29th. Looks like we made it to 80 degrees on the first day. It's cloudy. It's probably going to be a week, I bet, before we get a clear day to do a real test. Here's the top. The top's finished. 2 more side pieces. And the little observation box on the front, and that'll be it. Frost. Might have a decent day today. It's just about freezing right now. I think it's about 34 degrees. Might be freezing, I didn't check. So it got up to 80 degrees yesterday. And it was only part of the sand, so I seriously doubt we got anything registering now, but let's just take a look. Oh, I'll be damned, it's still at 60. It's still at 65 degrees. It looks, no, let me see, 70 degrees. All right. Yeah, look at that. Well, that's a good sign. Fantastic. Okay, here's my cold air in little fan. Already tested it, works fine. And here's the hot air out with the thermometer. I may need to switch this thermometer out. This is all I have right now because it doesn't start registering until 130 degrees, but we should be able to see that dial move either way. So that'll be interesting. And then here is our observation box. Little window here to look at the fan, make sure it's working okay. That's plexiglass. Hopefully that doesn't melt, but I don't think it will. That's tempered glass, so that's fine. My drill battery adapter, power adapter. This fan is a low power fan, so I got it set at 5 volts. You know, it doesn't show up, it blinks on here for some reason. It's something to do with the camera and the synchronization of these lights. It's almost like sci-fi. I don't know what it is, but it works. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. Can you hear that? There's the fan. Of course, it's not going to do anything yet. There's nothing in there, but everything's working, so. There's the fan. There's the observation box. I've got 2 thermometers in here. One's a high temperature, which I don't think it'll get that high out here in this area. And this one's a lower temperature, but unfortunately it doesn't register too low, so that one may need to be changed out. And this is I just got some final touches now, a couple more sheets to put on. And of course, we've got no sunlight, so it's going to be a couple days before we start the real testing.